Welcome back to my channel. I am Candace Latham, and on this channel we talk about finances, motivation, mindset, and some lifestyle things as well. But basically, I'm all about helping people get better in life, to grow, to move forward. But at the core, it's focusing on their finances. Today, I'm at a co-working space, so we're getting a little cozy. We're going to be talking about what is the difference between day trading and investing in stocks for the long run. Downloaded my freebie. Make sure you hit the link in my description box below to download it. Addressing your inner money beliefs so that you can start winning in your finances. As you guys know, it is No Wig November. If you haven't already checked out that video, make sure you go check it out in the description box below. But essentially for the month of November, I was giving up wigs, and instead of wearing a wig, I was actually going to rock my natural hair and use that wig money instead to purchase stocks. Now, I did end up purchasing 4 stocks. I was supposed to only purchase 1, but I ended up purchasing 4. And I have a video that I'm going to show you guys that I actually did purchase these 4 stocks. We're still going strong, and I'm actually here in my account. So I wanted to show you guys that I'm actually purchasing the shares that I said I was going to purchase. So here we go. So I've logged in here, and at first, it's been a while since I've done this. So it took me a little while to figure out how to actually purchase shares again, but I found it out. Again, we remember that my stocks that I'm going to buy is AT&T, which the symbol for that is T. And so there it is right here. I'm going to click buy. And I decided instead of buying 1 share, I'm going to buy 4 shares. I have like some cash. If this is the amount that's sitting in my account available to trade. So I have like $432.94 available to trade. And so that is what I have. So I'm just going to do 4. I'm going to make it a market order. And I'm just going to press review now. And there's no commission and fees because Charles Schwab changed their fees now. So it used to be like $8.95, and now there's no fees, which is awesome. So I just press place order. When it comes to investing, I'm mostly a long-term buy and hold investor. And what does that mean? That means that I am just choosing companies that I believe are good companies, and I'm investing money every month. Every month is the goal, right? Investing in companies. And essentially, I just plan to, make money from that stock growing, to make money from the dividend investments. And I just plan to just hold on to these stocks for a long time. Now, day trading, on the other hand, is when, hold on, I took some notes. Now, day trading is buying and selling a stock in a short time frame. Typically, it's between a day or 2. So that is what a day trader is. So the difference between the two is one is like a day, and another is like a long-term holding thing. You don't plan on selling this. This is in your portfolio for the long run. And maybe even you're passing this on to, the next generation. Now, I think that I am not a day trader pro at all. My friends, 2 people that I do know that are really just the pros at day trading are Teri and Tila. Now, both of these ladies were able to quit their 9-to-5s because of the income that they were able to make from day trading. And so day trading could just be super powerful when you know what you're doing, when you have the right tools, when you have the right knowledge, and you're taking the right action. For newbies or for anybody who doesn't really have the right strategy and the right plan in place, you can just end up losing a lot of money. So I think that's why a lot of people tend to just stick to, the buying and holding stocks, because again, day trading does take a bit more time, a bit more involvement, and a bit more knowledge. But I wanted to talk more about Teri today because, I'm inspired by Teri because she was able to make so much money from trading, which actually she started trading as a side hustle. She used to be a principal of a school, but she realized that she was tired, she was exhausted, and she just realized that she needed to earn extra money. So she started learning how to trade, and eventually she was able to start earning $100 a day, and then $200 a day, and then $300 a day, right? So she started just earning so much money on the side. And if you are able to earn $200 a day, she said that if you're able to earn $200 a day, that's like $48,000 of extra income a year, right? So eventually it got to the point where it wasn't her side hustle. She made this her main hustle and decided to just quit her job and travel the world, right? She's been to places like Fiji. She's been to Fiji, she's been to Greece, like all these beautiful places. She was just traveling, but she was still able to make money. And all of her friends and people would see her traveling the world and like, wait, how are you able to make all this money? And they started asking her, can you teach me how to trade? Can you teach me how to make money? Right? I want to live my best life, right? I want to travel, be in my bathing suit, my hair looking good, and still making money. Like, who doesn't want to do that? So she started teaching classes to people first in different countries, and then she started teaching people in the US. And then she opened up her trade and travel course, which has been the #1 course on Teachable for many months of 2019, like the #1 course, the #1 best-selling course of 2019 on the Teachable platform. So Teri knows her stuff. She's been able to help other students, earn extra income from trading, right? And I think it's important for us to just be able to invest in ourselves, invest in our education, and not let, lack of knowledge or lack of funds hold us back, because it is an investment. And once you get the right strategies in place, you are going to be able to make your money back and then some. I was able to make $1,000 a day from trading the stock market. And I saw a video where she said one day she made $35,000 in a day, right? That's like somebody's yearly salary, but she was able to make that in one day. So she was able to turn her side hustle into her main hustle, which is goals for a lot of people. So this is just something that I'm super inspired by her. And now she's able to impact and change the world and change families, right? Because if you're able to earn more money, you can save more, you can, pay off your debt faster, you can invest in other things, you can travel the world, you could be just living your best life. And I know that's like the theme of 2019 is living your best life, but we want to be able to live good, not even just today, but also in the future. And these are skills and just she's going to teach you the skills and strategies that you can learn for a lifetime. And, investing is something that's been important to me. I've been mostly like a long-term investor, but I do eventually want to become a day trader and just learn more about that side as well. I've been investing in myself a lot lately. Last year I've been investing in different coaches and different conferences and different courses. Like, I haven't been investing in myself, so I'm no stranger to, using money to grow my knowledge, grow my skills, grow in general. Like, I'm somebody that plans to be a lifelong learner, and I hope that you too can be a lifelong learner, because applied knowledge is truly powerful. Yeah, so she was able to just be on the beach and still just making money from spending like 2 hours to 4 hours a day being able to trade. So we do daily, unlike the buy and hold strategy where you can buy some stocks and then just forget about it. You don't have to constantly be checking. With day trading, you do have to check. You have to look at charts. You have to make sure you're checking your stocks. You have to make sure that you're preparing for your day. So it's just definitely more time is involved with day trading, and that's why it's important that you have the right the right strategies and the right education to help you with this investment, and the right accountability, so you're not in this alone. You have a team, or you have a group of people that you can rely on for their advice and expert opinions. I'll show you guys a little bit more about Teri's course if that is something that you're interested in, investing in yourself and learning more about how to trade. Not that knowledgeable about day trading, so I am not the expert in that area. So I did want to just share another resource with you in case you guys were at a point where you're looking for a little bit advanced training. You have the basics down, you're saving money, you're paying off your debt, you have some investments already, but you just want to take things to the next level. You're ready to learn something more, you're ready to invest in yourself and invest in your future, then you should definitely check out Teri's course. You should definitely make the investment in her trade and travel course, so that you too can trade and travel from the palm of your hands, just by using your cell phone. Teri's course page, where you can trade and travel, learn how to supplement your daily, weekly, or monthly income with trading so that you can live your best life. And this is the beautiful Teri right here. So here she breaks down what you will learn. You'll learn how to pick companies, how to protect your portfolio. You'll learn how to price the trade, because the biggest struggle for investors is knowing what price to enter a trade. And this class teaches you how to read stock charts, which is the best indicator of stock direction. And it also tells you how to push forward. So this takes your wins from a one-time surprise to frequent, regular income. So you learn how to master strategies to make consistent gains as a trader. And she actually does this course live in her winter training. Live winter training course is coming. So you get to actually watch the online classes, but you also get to have access to her live, and you get to participate in the group coaching calls, as well as, walking away with from every course with new skills that you can implement in your own portfolio right away. And there is a 3-month payment plan. You can do the 3-month payment plan of $733 a month, or you can just pick the one-time payment of $1,997. So you would just go there, click on the bottom. You would just click to enroll in the course. And once you click the enroll button, it'll ask you for your payment information. And here she has some testimonials to see what other people have to say. But she is having a Black Friday deal right now. I'm actually friends with her on Facebook. So she says one of her favorite trades involved a student making a profit of $153. That may seem small to you, but he started out with just $500. That means he made 30% return on his investment. What have you invested lately that's giving you a 30% return? So since her winter enrollment is coming, like I just told you guys, she said she is giving you guys $200 off the trading travel course for her Black Friday coupon code, but it ends December 3rd. That's right. It ends December 3rd. It's coming up really fast. So you really just have to act on this fast. If, trading is something that you've been interested in for a while, just make the investment in yourself and you will be able to make your money back and then some. Click the links below if you're interested in purchasing Teri's course. We'll leave that below and in her bio right now. Let me just read it. So Teri is a professional stock trader, a rarity for African American women. So after attending MIT and working briefly on Wall Street, she developed her own 7-step trading system that's making her and other people a ton of money. It's making her and a ton of her other students on average $1,000 a day. That's right, $1,000 a day trading stocks in the market. Tuning in, make sure you click the link below to check out Teri's course if you're interested in purchasing and investing in yourself before 2019 is over, and just investing in yourself. If you enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe to this channel, and also if you haven't already picked up my free guide in your inner money beliefs so you can start winning in your finances. So make sure you grab the free guide if you haven't already. And until next time, I'm Candace Latham, and I will see you later. Bye, guys.